好的，我们继续。On the top, what is the radical here on top?
That's the bamboo radical.
That is the bamboo radical. So 筷子 is this one. 筷子。好。This part remember for the moment. Remember this character and 快慢的快 fast. And 快 the same pronunciation. 快。And then we take a look another radical. Another character. 好，this one we call it 瓦片。This one tails we call it 瓦。This is 瓦。This one is new for you, right? This character.
Yeah, it's near.
Yeah. 瓦tail 瓦片。并 we need to learn this character. 并 means like they are quite next to each other. Like side by side. 并。Now we combine this 并 and this 瓦 together comes to bottle. This one we call it 瓶子的瓶破音瓶。瓶子。瓶子 is 瓶子We practice a little bit about this character. You focus on character. Don't forget to wash the bottles. I write the character.
Wash the bottles.
别
忘记洗瓶子。
对的，别忘了洗瓶子洗瓶子，别忘了洗瓶子。瓶子的瓶别忘了洗瓶子。Use 把 sentence
别忘了把瓶子洗了。
对的，别忘了把瓶子洗了。别忘了把瓶子洗了Now you want to prepare some Chinese, quick Chinese dishes, and then you need to buy this 筷子. Now you ask him, don't forget to buy chopsticks.
别忘记买筷子。
别忘记买筷子筷子。Use 把。
别忘了把筷子买了。
别忘了把筷子买了Still, he is also quite busy, and he forgot. He said, "I forgot to buy chopstick."
我忘记了，忘记买筷子了。
Both okay. If you want, put a little here, also okay. 我忘记了 then 买筷子。我忘记了买筷子。哦，我忘记买筷子了。Both okay 我忘记买筷子了。好，筷子瓶子。In this lesson, we repeat a lot about this 瓶筷子 maybe for you still easy because bamboo is there, but this 瓶 we need to be familiar with this 瓶It will come back quite many times. 好，瓶子的瓶好，we take a look at next part character still we have this part is easy because it looks also like this nail this one like just one and then this ding ding in Asian Chinese also means this nail but modern Chinese we put this radical we learned before. What is it?
This was metal.
Yes, metal radical 啊。
嗯
钉 of course they are metal 啊。钉子的钉 we call it 钉子啊。钉子 is this 钉子 here we have the picture 啊。钉子 OK and 钉子 nail 啊。钉子的钉。Still the same part 钉 and we put 火 on the left side this 火 火 left side it becomes to this 灯 light 灯 maybe this one is easier
嗯
yeah okay 灯
对
灯
，yeah，
钉
嗯
钉子的钉灯灯钉好 this part we skip the way skip then continue next part 钉子的钉灯。Here we practice a little bit about how we use a different kind of word and with different kind of characters. This one, let's review here. What is this one? I haven't put pin in here. What is this one?
嗯，地铁
That's it. 地铁 correct.
铁
Now you know this one.
then 筷子 then 灯 and 瓶子。
对的。Now we try to match this part with the verb here. We try.
嗯
Verb I haven't put pinyin, but this one, what is it?
洗
Yes, 洗.
嗯
This one.
开
Yes, this one.
关
Yes, this one.
搓
Very good.
搓
做
嗯
做 very good.
嗯
This one.
用
Now you
嗯
can link them. Which one you link? For
嗯
example,
哼
yeah, you can
用
choose.
OK 用筷子
Good. 用筷子。
then 洗瓶子
洗瓶子。
then 开灯
开灯。
嗯关灯
关灯。
and then 坐地铁
Very good. 坐地铁。What is 洗瓶子？瓶子。瓶子。
things like wash bottles
What is 用筷子？
you use chopsticks
What is 开灯？关灯。
like turn on the lamp and turn off the lamp
Yeah，坐地铁。
to sit on the metro
Yeah,
tube
yeah. In Chinese we say take metro 坐 means take.
take 坐 take
坐火车，坐公共汽车，坐地铁 take what
take 坐
transportation 坐地铁 good here is okay. We continue take new characters. We have many new characters.
yeah it's okay
Yes, we have many new characters. We focus on this one. This one we take a look at the inside. This one inside. This is the season character.
mm-hmm. The is it 冬
Yes, good.
yeah
冬天的冬 What is the 冬天？
冬天 winter
对的，冬。Why you now is 冬 is not 夏
because it has the big like the ice
Yeah, we have ice radical here. Ice. 好的，冬天的冬。When we put this 冬 inside the box, this inside the box, this one, the pronunciation changed to 图图 means picture picture 图 For example 地图 we call it 地图 map we call it 地图 map I write it here 地图 map 地图 the
地图
picture of the earth 地图 map 这是什么？这是
这是书
是的，这是书书。书 we also call it 图书。 图书 because some books they have also picture inside 啊，图书 the same equals to 书啊，图书 the same like 书，
嗯，
图
图书
书图书哦，好，阿达，我们继续往下看，阿达是昨天星期天从伦敦飞到北京，最后一个飞到赫尔辛基啊，最后一个字，至 means from to 啊，from to 伦敦到北京，从伦敦至北京。And then we have room, it become to 是 means room inside 啊。For
，room，
example, 卧室，next time we will continue from here 啊。今天是星期一，祝阿达工作快乐。我们星期三见，
谢谢你，
见，
谢谢你，呃，
星期三
从星期三见。
再见。